Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. There is a quote that says, "A cup of tea makes everything better," and I could not agree more. I'm a tea lover in its many forms, be it caffeinated or otherwise. Over the last few weeks, I've been trying different homemade tea blends for my son as he loves sipping on some with us during tea time. What started as a recipe for soothing his sore throat has now become a daily routine. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 different teas that we have been enjoying, made using herbs that are native to India, which means they also come with great health benefits. So to see how I brew these simple teas that are non-caffeinated, jump on in and let's get rolling. The main herb in my first tea blend is lemongrass. Chop about half a stick or more depending on how you like your flavor. Then grate some ginger. Remember, ginger overpowers lemongrass, so make sure you have less of the ginger or you can skip it completely to enjoy the more citrus flavor. Now, use an infuser of some kind. I'm using a ball infuser here, and add the ingredients into it. Also, slice a lemon in half. Now on to making the tea. Drop the infuser in a mug or a cup of your choice. Now add hot water into it very carefully and let it steep for about 5 minutes, ensuring that the infuser is completely submerged in water. Once done, take the infuser out and add the sweetener of your choice. Mine is honey. And then add a few drops of lemon. I love the lemony flavor in the tea without the bitterness, making it an addictive one. You can also make a cold version of this as well. This tea is great for digestion, helps constipation, which is a concern for my kid, and is a natural sedative, so acts as a sleeping aid as well. For this tea, you will need a few leaves of basil, some fresh rose petals if you like the flowery scent in your tea, or you can omit it completely, a fine mesh tea strainer just like you see that inserts into a mug, and a few sticks of cinnamon and some cloves. Insert the strainer into a mug and add all of the ingredients into it. I'm adding about 3 leaves of basil, 4 rose petals, 3 tiny sticks of cinnamon and 3 cloves. Then pour hot water into it and cover the strainer so that it steeps in for 5 minutes. I like these strainers as they help steep better, but if you don't have something like this, you can add all of the ingredients directly into the mug and then just pour the hot water into it and then use a regular strainer to pour out the tea. Once done, just take the strainer out, add the sweetener of your choice and enjoy the burst of flavors. This herb is great at fighting infections and boosting immunity. This tea is my son's favorite of them all. For this, I'm picking some fresh mint from our backyard and washing it under running water. I'm going to add this to boiling water that's in a pot. Then grating in some fresh turmeric root into it. This gives a lovely yellow tinge and a little goes a long way. Remember, too much of this makes the tea bitter. Allow this to boil for 2 minutes and then turn it off, ensuring that the pot is covered so that it can steep for another 2 or 3 minutes. This tea is ready to be poured into a mug. I'm adding honey in one as a sweetener of my choice here and jaggery in the other for my son. Jaggery is a great alternative for sugar and it's also great for digestive health and rich in iron content. Strain it out and enjoy this tea that is great for allergies and digestion. What I love about these teas are that they're so easy to make, and I can also use fresh herbs instead of the dried ones so that the flavors are strong. I hope you all got inspired to try out some of these herbal teas at home. Let me know if you did in the comment section below. As always, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.